Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to this Pepe update. It's Saturday and we're gonna be starting off the weekends, and I want to see how the weekly candles are looking like because it's gonna be important. So I think the weekly candle is quite good, right? This candle that you see right now is pretty decent. So the candle is almost like a dragonfly or a high frequency spinning top candle or a bullish spinning top candle, but I think anyways, this candle here is actually a positive candle. This right over here was a negative one because it was made next to the red to the green candle, and now this is made next to a red candle, which actually uh, gives a signal that a reversal may start to go back to the upside. Now it's been a long time I haven't used HEIKEN ASHI, so what I want to do is I want to use a candle called HEIKEN ASHI. We're going to go down and turn on the HEIKEN ASHI candle. So what HEIKEN ASHI does, and if I do switch between the normal candles, you can actually notice that we had one red over here, we had one red over there, and when we had this red, we still continue to go to the upside. When we had this red, we still continue to go to the upside. So HEIKEN ASHI almost offers a filter of the state of a candle. Now you see, normal candles showed, like if I go back here, they showed a potential reversal because you made a red next to the green, and this was actually a bit of a negative candle. So expectation was to go to the downside. But what about HEIKEN ASHI? And this candle was made back in 29th of February. So if I do switch HEIKEN ASHI and go back to 29th of February, it actually filters out the noise, and you can see that that candle was never red. It actually closed green. Okay, it really closed green. And for the first time here, you probably made some few red, or maybe this is the candle where you made that decisive doji, and then you made the bearish candle, then another bearish candle. But notice after 4 days of bearish candle, you have finally made another green candle here, which also means that we could be on the verge of either a move back up again, okay, which also means that if you end up coming down to 5739, it's actually going to destroy the effect of that green candle, and maybe this is going to be a negative statement if you start to come down and close below 5739. Another thing is maybe it's time for just a very normal consolidation. All I can say is zoom out, look at this move to the upside, and maybe a long consolidation or reaccumulation before you don't start to push back up again, maybe somewhere in April or maybe somewhere in May as well. So for this one, you see educational videos are actually important. So educational backup also says that accumulation, a break, okay, and a reaccumulation. So this is what I'm looking forward to. Maybe reaccumulate, and I've spoke about this before as well. And then from there you can see that this was Pepe. So break to the upside, probably a reaccumulation. And I used to say this, you're going to see a push up and maybe a start of a reaccumulation, and that's exactly what is probably happening. ICP pushed up, had a reaccumulation, just probably to continue to move up. So we could be looking at reaccumulation to go to the upside. Bonk had a push up, reaccumulation, pushed up. Dogecoin is pushing up, maybe it's actually in the same current situation as Pepe, SHIB as well. And there's this mysterious coin that is actually not even in reaccumulation, it's down for accumulation, it's down for you to buy cheap. And I'm going to tell you for absolutely free, so come down to Discord, in the description of the video, click here, click on announcement, click my name and message me the word coin, and I'm going to tell you. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.